Household chores. So, Paul, how do the members of your family share their householding chores? Who does the washing up?
Well, my sister does that. I sometimes do the washing up, too. We've got a dishwasher in our kitchen, so it is not difficult for me to put dirty dishes into it.
Do you do the shopping?
No, my parents usually do the food shopping. They like buying food at the market. I can only buy something for a snake at school.
What about the cleaning up the house?
I must say that I clean my room every day. I don't like doing it really, but I have to. My sister vacuums the living room, and my mother cleans the kitchen and the bathroom.
Who does the cooking and the ironing?
Well, those are my sister's and my mother's chores. I can't cook at all, and I hate ironing. My father is keen on cooking. He's at work on weekdays, but he can cook something tasty for dinner on weekends.
Who washes clothes in your family?
Anybody can do it. If I have free time, I help my mum with washing. I put clothes into the washing machine and turn it on.
What are they going to do on Saturday?
My name is Sam and I study at college. I rent a flat together with another student. I am not an extremely fighty person and I hate housework. But we are expecting a visit from my flatmate's grandma. So, on Saturday, my flatmate Marsha's and I are going to give our flat a really good clean. First, we are going to tidy the bedroom and the living room, which is not an easy thing to do. Then, we are going to take the rubbish out. I am also going to collect my dirty socks from under the bed and wash them. Then, I am going to hoover the floor because we have carpets on it. After that, Maddie is going to clean the windows. I suppose that by 12 o'clock the flat would look perfect. We are going to feel awfully fired. But after a short rest, Maddie is going to do the shopping and I am going to make dinner. As a reward, I am going to bake a chocolate cake for us.